The 48-hour statewide Bandh pressing for unconditional release of 5 village volunteers arrested by Manipur police has paralyzed normal life in valley districts of Manipur. Many Bandh supporters reportedly sustained injuries as personnel of state police, RAF, fired rounds of tear gas shells to disperse protesters at different places. The decision to call the Bandh was announced yesterday after numbers of people took to streets in Imphal East and Imphal West districts against the arrest of the 5 village volunteers by a special team of Imphal East Commando on September 16th night. People in Pukhao, Sagulmang, Pangai, Khurai Salanthong, Khurai Lamlong Bazar, Tera, Tilipati, Uripo Kangchup Road, Nauremthong Bazar, Nauremthong Kumanthim Lekai, DC Office, Kwakithel Thiam Lekai, Singzamai Bazar, Pongba Road, Koman Mangzil, Bamon Lekai, Kapwa, Kanchipur, Chazing, Lilong and other valley areas blocked roads since early morning, supporting the Bandh call by all Langthabal Kendra Club's coordinating committee. Private and passenger service vehicles remained off roads. Markets, business establishments, schools and colleges remained closed. And there were low attendance of employees in the government offices too. Tension erupted between security forces and Bandh supporters at different places. Security forces including state police and RAF fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to disperse people in Tera, Khurai, Lamlong and Nauremthong areas, reportedly injuring many persons. Speaking to media, protesting Maira Paibis condemned the government for arresting the village volunteers who fought day and night to protect the state when it can't take any action in the hill. They demanded the arrested volunteers be released within 48 hours or intense agitations will be launched, they warned.
अखोई दमक ता इशा सुगी न खुनगा पीदना लेरी बेले बाक परजा मयाम जे तंदु ले ताना ले सिंगा तम या दल लेदना चचरी बम मयाम छे इशा जिंगी न सिंगा पीब गिने हैबा अदु करी मरंगी दमक ता नोबा इशा जिंगी दा अकल अकन एक पांजन बिरी छे मणिपुर दल ले बिरी बा इशा इशु जिंगी समायना एक अकल अकन बा पांजन बिबा तारगदी कमायना अखोई ले मणिपुर दल ले मामा अखोई न इशा जि कन गदोरी गे हैबा अदुना इशा जिंगी थादोक से बोगदी अखोई मामा अखोई हनबा लेतना इशा जिंगी दमक ता मामा मो बिगे अखोई लेकनी खंगौदना अखोई गी खुनगा पैचिलिना मंगा फाजिन खिबा मधुगा मरी लेना अखोई पुंग निपु निपान के ओइबा ऑल मणिपुर के ओइना बन कौजबदा पांगई बाजार के ओइना अपुन मैरा पाइबी खोई ngasi khongjang ase changhan jabani aduna khoi na haijagadabusi chingdana karimata tawbu ngamdraga tamdana ngamme haibagi matik akhoi gi damakta akhoi gi huji huji thoiba lan sida siba changba khangdana furup sibu kannana ba honna bada thengnari ba ichili naw singa do phajan ki bodo athuba matamda pungni phuni pan gi manung sida akhoi athuba matamda thadok piro center amasung sarkar na ju masigi athuba matamda warui silama pusan bidna thoiba irang thoiba lan asi athuba matamda lephan biu
हमारे मणिपुर के पब्लिक प्रजा जिन जिन पहाड़ क्षेत्रों में जाकर अपने घर गांव को बचाने के लिए गए थे उनमें से 5 व्यक्ति को गिरफ्तार कर लिया पुलिस ने। इस गिरफ्तार करने को एफआईआर हमारे मणिपुर के प्रजा और हमारे तेलीपट्टी के प्रजा एफआईआर को हटाकर उन्हें जल्द से जल्द छोड़ दे बिना किसी कंडीशन में।
Bandh supporters in Nauremthong areas also blocked road in front of Nauremthong Khulem Lekai DC complex. However, the protesters allowed vehicles of CRPF and other essential service vehicles to pass. Taking part in the protest, a Maira Paibi named Shangbam Thoibi urged the authority not to be biased and release the arrested persons at the earliest. Women of Nauremthong Khulem Lekai also supported the 48-hour Bandh by blocking Uripok Tinsit Road today. Wood logs and vehicle tires were also burnt to block the road. However, emergency services like hospital, water, etc. were exempted. The 48-hour Bandh has affected normal life in Thoubal district today. Bandh supporters blocked National Highway 102 Imphal Mure Road since early morning today at Wangzing Bazar and Khongzom Bazar. Important markets and shops of the districts remained shut for the day. Wangjing Bazaar, Thawbal Bazaar, Khongjom Bazaar and Yaripok Bazaar wore a deserted look and vehicles remained off the road. Later, women of Tentha, Hairok, Wangjing and other places came out at the Wangjing Bazaar shouting various slogans demanding release of 5 persons who were arrested on the 16th of this month.